In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose and register a domain name while going through the hosting process. Let's dive right in and make this as seamless as possible for you. When you're ready to choose a hosting plan, start by selecting one that not only fits your needs, whether you're setting up a blog, a personal website, or an e-commerce store, but also includes a free domain. Many hosting services offer a range of plans tailored for different requirements, so take a moment to consider the specifics, like how much storage you might need or whether you'll require any advanced features. Once you've identified the plan that seems like a perfect fit, go ahead and add it to your cart. Now, this might feel like shopping online, so once your choice is locked in, proceed to checkout. During the checkout process, you'll be prompted to register your free domain. This is where you get to be a bit creative and strategic. Think about a domain name that effectively represents your brand or personal identity. Remember, simplicity is key. Choose something that is easy to remember and type. Once you've come up with a brilliant name idea, type it in to see if it's available. If it is, congratulations. You can register it right on the spot. If not, don't be discouraged. Play around with variations until you find a winner that you're happy with. Sometimes even a slight change or adding a keyword related to your niche can make the difference. With your domain selected and added to your cart, it's time to complete the purchase. Double check that all the details are correct before proceeding. Here, you'll likely need to fill in some personal information and payment details. Be sure to review all your information to ensure everything is accurate, as this will also ensure there are no hiccups later on. Complete the payment process and you are all set. You'll receive an email confirming your new hosting plan and domain registration. Make sure to give it a read to understand the next steps. Occasionally, you might be required to verify your email address or log in to your hosting account to activate your domain fully. By following these steps, you now have your hosting plan and a freshly registered domain to get your website off the ground. Remember, this is an exciting first step in launching your online presence, whether for fun or business. Once your website is up, keep learning and exploring to make the most of it. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy building your digital space. Remember to subscribe for more helpful